Yeppoon today. I always say Lapoon, so we've left Yeppoon today. And we were meant to go to Mackay for an overnight trip, but we decided to just keep going and head to Airlie to get
the kids
as
are
much
gonna behave.
as we, yes, they're going to behave. Everything's going to be fine. So we'll be there in another like 2.5, 3 hours because we'll probably have to do one more stop. But yeah, that is the update. Wait till you see this place we are going to though. It is like
Kids paradise.
Kids paradise.
Big kids paradise.
So yeah, stay tuned. What have we done?
First part.
First
part of Tait.
How exciting! You excited, Riley?
Yeah.
Go camping.
Yay!
Last minute decision. Do you like Airlie Beach, Riley?
Yeah.
I think Dad likes Airlie Beach. What do you think?
I gotta lick up the melting ice cream. Ripper spot. Beautiful.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know what I like most about it?
What?
Dreaming about all the super yachts.
Oh yeah.
Time?
Mate, pretty good. We've got plenty of crackle going on here, mate. Bit of garlic bread, roast veggies. Oh, mate, this is living.
We're on, aren't we, eh? What do you reckon, kids? All good?
Nice, Riley?
Really good.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
With Sundays, baby.
What?
How do you spell your name?
I-L-E-Y.
Yeah! Woohoo!
So today we are off to Townsville. So we're leaving Airlie Beach, heading to Townsville. We're there for 5 days or something like that. And then heading as far up as we can, as quick as we can with the children. So it will be a test, but we have to do it to beat that wet season. So what do you reckon, Chloe Shark? Yeah, Chloe's getting some more teeth, aren't you? So she's a little bit grumpy. We've seen our first wild crocodile. Thank God it was when we were driving, so feeling a little bit safer, but it was just sitting in the creek as we were going over a bridge. So,
Saltwater Creek.
Yeah, Saltwater Creek. So I'm pretty sure no one would swim there. But yeah, I'm glad that we were nowhere near it. So a bit of an update, I guess, on the whole week that we have just had. So it's just been absolutely crazy. So we're at Airlie Beach, as you guys would have seen by now. At Airlie Beach at the Big Fall there, absolutely amazing. A
Beautiful park.
Kids retreat.
Yeah.
And then yeah, we just started planning the Cape. Like, it's just been nuts deciding on.
Met an awesome family
Yes.
coming out of Yeppoon that we followed into Airlie Beach.
We weren't even going.
No, so
met them guys there, like, we're doing the Cape, want to jump on board, and we sort of just looked at each other and like, once in a lifetime opportunity, let's roll with it. So yeah, this video is a bit of a short one, but we've been putting a lot of time and effort into planning and getting ready. So choosing what was going to be best set up for us, whether it be the swag, the rooftop tents, whatever. We've decided to go with the tent option, basically just for room. Okay, so it was RV5 was going to be our winner for the tent, Oz tent, yeah. But we have changed into a Coleman tent. Reason being, the RV5 was an awesome tent. Love the way it's built, everything about it. But this one just worked better for us in terms of room. Elise and I basically decided that we definitely want a porta cot for Chloe.
For our sanity. A
bit of a play area too, so we could just put her down and not have to chase her all over the Cape. So, that one's working well for us. We even came home. This is a handy little tent. We even came home, got some masking tape out and taped out the floor plan size of the tent. And the mattresses and where everything was going to go. So we really did plan it properly. We're going to have a little bit of extra room in that size tent as well, which is going to be good. So definitely look at doing that as well. But we won't have a video next week. We will have the Cape York video 2 weeks, one big video. All right, so we'll have a week off, but the content's going to be more and more with that. So you get one big one at the end of it. So we're going to be having...
No, go. I'm also creating a blog as well on our trip to the Cape. So
planning it.
Lots of tips, tricks, like traveling with kids. Like everyone knows, Riley's 4, Chloe's 1. Yeah. So this is going to be a challenge. We are highly aware of that. Hence why because we were going to go the air beds, but we thought... let's just go the cot, because if we went the airbed, she'd be crawling around everywhere in the tent and probably wouldn't sleep. Yeah. So for our peace of mind, she's in the porta cot now. Riley's in the airbed, but obviously we're going to share everything with you, because if you are a travelling family or planning on doing the Cape, we want to help you out as much as possible. We'll be the guinea pigs.
We've been looking for all that info ourselves, so we know what you guys are going to want. Just basically run you through how we did it, how we're going to set the car up, how we're going to pack everything, roof rack storage, the works. So it will be a big video in the next 2 weeks to come, but really looking forward to taking you on the telly track.
So exciting!
Thanks for watching! Stay tuned for our next adventure to the Cape York Peninsula. We are coming.
2 weeks, 2 kids in a tent. Let's see how we go.
Red dust.